Setting up your Sublime DS170 desktop die sublimation printer is a breeze. First, we'll start by removing the contents of the box. You'll want to remove the quick start guide to begin, followed by the box containing the inks and cables, and lastly the printer. Next, start removing the blue tape used to secure the printer in shipping from the outside of the printer. After you've removed the tape on the outside, open the top cover of the printer and make sure you remove the tape securing the print head in place. Lastly, you'll also want to remove the film over the LCD screen. Now it is time to fill your printer with ink. To start, unpack the Endura ink from its packaging. Make sure you are using the correct ink as shown and not the included Epson ink. From here, begin by lifting the main printer cover, followed by the ink tank cover. Next, open the covers to the individual ink reservoirs to begin filling. For each ink color, remove the cap from the bottle and place it upside down on its specific tank. Tanks can be identified by the abbreviations on the front of the printer. While filling, do not squeeze the bottle. The ink bottles are designed to flow freely, then automatically stop once the tank is full. Repeat this process for all 4 inks. Then, close the ink tank and printer covers in reverse order, making sure to fully seal the ink covers before closing access. Now you are ready to turn on your printer for the first time. To begin, plug the included power cable into the back of the printer. Next, turn the printer on by pressing down the power button for a few seconds. Once your printer is powered on, select your preferred language using the up and down arrow keys, and press OK to continue. Note this can be changed later in the settings menu. Now we must initialize the printer. To begin, hold down the question mark button, located to the left side of the screen, for about 5 seconds. Next, confirm your tanks have been filled with ink and press OK to continue. This will begin the initialization process, which will take approximately 14 minutes. While this is active, it is very important not to turn off or disturb the printer. Once initialization is complete, press OK. After initialization, you must check the print head nozzles. To begin, press OK. You should now be prompted to load the paper cassette, located at the bottom center of your printer. To load paper, pull the cassette towards you to remove it from the printer. Once exposed, expand the media width guides and add your sublimation paper to the tray, with the printable side face down. Now, push the cassette back in to secure it in place to the printer. Next, press OK and wait for the test pattern to print. Now, compare the printed test pattern to the one shown. If there are missing segments or apparent flaws in your test pattern, select the X using the left arrow and OK button to begin the automatic nozzle cleaning. If your test pattern looks good, select the circle using the OK button to continue to the alignment adjustments. If you are unsure about the quality of your test print, do not worry about applying an unnecessary cleaning. They only take a few minutes and are completed hands-free. After you are finished ensuring full nozzle function, it is time to adjust your printer's alignment settings to produce the highest quality image. Hit OK to begin the adjustment process. Next, assuming you still have paper loaded in the cassette, press OK to print the vertical alignment test pattern. After the test is done printing, remove it from the printer and observe the numbered squares. Look closely and choose the square with the least noticeable streaks or vertical lines through it. Then, enter the number of the best square in the printer using the plus and minus buttons. Finally, press the OK button to enter your selection and proceed. Next, we will adjust the horizontal alignment. When prompted, press the OK button to print the test pattern. Wait for the test pattern to finish printing. After it is finished, remove the test from the printer and observe the numbered rectangles. Look closely and choose the rectangles closest to each other with the least overlap. Then enter the associated number into the printer and press the OK button to finish the horizontal alignment. Congratulations! You have now completed the initial setup. You can now press the OK button to continue to the main menu. After setup, you may need additional drivers to use your DS170 with your Windows computer. If so, they can be found at blog.signwarehouse.com. The Sublime DS170 is compatible with all of your favorite design applications such as CreateSpace, LXI, and Adobe Creative Cloud. Not sure where to start? Sign Warehouse carries plenty of compatible blanks from HTX for keychains, caps, headbands, license plates, tumblers, mugs, masks, and more. If you need design templates for any blanks you've purchased, have any questions, or require assistance with your printer, please contact Sign Warehouse product support at signwarehouse.com/pages/contact us.